$787 billion question. It's known as H.R. 1, the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act of 2009. To most of us, though, it's just the stimulus program, designed to bring America out of the recession by creating or saving jobs. But who's getting the money and where's it going? They sound like simple questions, but like anything involving the government, there are no simple answers. Let me break down who the government says is getting what here along the Gulf Coast. Any way you look at it, it's a lot of money. Florida's getting about $15.4 billion stimulus dollars. Alabama's getting about $3 billion. Let's start there. About a third of the money coming to Alabama is going to education. Money for Medicaid is next, followed by money for transportation, and then a category called fiscal stabilization. That's to help local governments pay their bills. Here's where it starts getting complicated. When I contacted the state of Alabama to find out how much money each county would be getting, the answer was, we don't know. Here's why. Alabama doesn't have a centralized accounting system like Florida, where all the information comes into Tallahassee. Plus, not all stimulus money flowing to Alabama goes through Montgomery. Many local governments and organizations apply directly to the federal government. We do know that 22 million of those stimulus dollars are coming here to the University of South Alabama. Some of that will be used to offset money cut by the state, but a lot of that money is going into research. The USA Center for Lung Biology received $435,000 in new stimulus money to continue its study of lung function and lung disease. Dr. Troy Stevens is a professor in the College of Medicine.
So the work that's being supported through the stimulus package is really helping us to understand what the cause of vascular disease is in the lungs. We have a disproportionate number of asthmatics, a disproportionate number of kind of serious lung vascular disorders, and so this gives us an opportunity to really contribute to the greater community along the Gulf Coast and the nation as a whole. Being able to pay and support the people who make the science happen has been the critical benefit.
Some of the stimulus money is also being used for road work. The Alabama Department of Transportation is one state agency that can say where the money's going. It's spending $11 million stimulus dollars on highways in Mobile County and $4 million on mass transit. $406,000 went to a road project to resurface Spring Hill Avenue in Mobile and the road from I-65 East Service Road to Moffett Road. Mobile and its fire rescue department is getting almost $2 million to build a new fire station that will serve the Theodore area. Another $2 million coming to Mobile is green money to conserve energy, things like more efficient street lighting and replacing city vehicles with hybrids. The Florida Panhandle, namely Escambia, Santa Rosa, and Okaloosa counties, are in line for $342 million stimulus dollars. The big ticket item in Escambia, almost $90 million on health care. $16 million on education in Santa Rosa County, almost $36 million for transportation in Okaloosa County. So, the bottom line about stimulus money, in most cases, the bulk of it hasn't been spent yet, and when it is, it will go to projects that wouldn't be undertaken without it. Is it really creating jobs? That's hard to say. Some of the figures released are estimates, some are flat wrong. The bigger question, what happens when the stimulus money is gone? No one has the answer to that one.